stuck at home. Hey Stuckers! Welcome to today's challenge, which is called Domino,
Dazzle.
because I'm all about the dominoes.
And I like to dazzle.
So today we're going to be creating the domino effect. And the domino effect is that one thing causes another thing to happen, which causes another thing to happen, and starts this long line of something happening. So what have you got here, Sal?
Well, I've been around the house and I've just looked for things that I can stand up that would fall over and cause a domino effect. So some of the things I've found have been DVD, holders, and you could get, Xbox, PlayStation games, boxes from the cupboard, found a tennis ball box. So here's a little example of domino effect.
Yay, work first, go!
So level 1 challenge is going to be finding a whole bunch of things around your house and just trying to see if you can work out one a bit longer than what I've done.
Okay, so we did this. Let's have a look at how it went.
Okay, Kim, I've set up my line ready now, my domino effect line. The random things I found around the house. The goal is for the tennis ball to end up in that box. I'm only allowed to touch the first thing in the line. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, here we go.
Woo! So that was good fun. It took us, we will admit, a few goes to get everything to fall just right, but it's a great way of solving problems. What works? What do you need to change? Don't give up. Stick with it and think it through.
Be patient. I didn't get impatient at all.
No, not at all. So for level 2, we're going to step up literally. We're going to create 2 levels to our domino effect. So find some way of having 2 levels. It might be adding, we used a pile of books and some cans to roll to make our higher level, and then followed down and did our same. Look at that, nice. Followed down and did our same aim to get the ball into the box. So try and, for level 2, make 2 levels.
Level up for the level 2.
Let's have a look at how that went.
All right, here is level 2. This time I've used some books. Still got my boxes. The aim is for the ball to make it into the box at the end. This time I'm using tins. And here is my level up height. Okay, you ready, Kim?
Ready.
Yay! All right, time to level it up. So we wanted to keep using what we were doing where we had 2 levels with the books and cans down onto the table. 3rd level would be the floor. So we had to work out how can we do the cans, knocking over everything else, but instead of having the box at the end of the table, let the ball roll off the table. And we thought, well, the ball will bounce, so it has to land in something. Have a look. Level 3 is the same, except at the end I want the ball to roll off the table, bounce and land in the blue bucket, which means I've got my 3 levels. This book level, the table level and the floor level. Are you ready, Kim?
Ready. That was so much fun, that feeling when everything worked and the ball bounced in. But don't be fooled by the fact that it looked like it happened really easily. We actually had to work quite hard today to get that to work, so don't give up.
But when you get there, Kim, I didn't play soccer, you did. Did it feel as good as kicking a goal in soccer?
It was pretty close.
Right.
And look, don't be restricted to what we've used. We've got a ball here. You might have different sorts of ball, soccer ball, golf ball. See what you can find. Cans also work really well. I don't think they'd bounce so well though, Sal. So
I wouldn't get the can rolling onto the floor. And,
So have a lot of fun with today's challenge, the domino effect.
Right. Thanks for joining us for today's challenge. And Stuckers, we know you're stuck at home, but your family is stuck with you. So if you're crabby and in a bad mood, the domino effect might mean everybody else is. So Try and be happy.
Yeah. See you later,
See you later,
Stuckers.
Stuckers.
I know how to cause a fantastic domino effect. First, I clean myself by licking my fur. Then, I hack up a really big fur ball. Then, Sal says, gross. Then Sal gets the paper towel and cleans it up. Then Sal yells at me. Then I go back to sleep. Perfect. See you later, Stuckers.
Ready.
Here we go. Okay, are you ready, Kim?
I'm ready.
Got a good feeling about this. Ready, Kim?
Ready.
Here we go.